For those of you using timekeeping, if you go to our task list, you now can create categories for tasks. That way it'll help you sort them easier. So in this case here, I want to add a category for silt fence. If I've already created a category, I can come here and use that one. But in this case, I'm going to create an XYZ category and then I can create it. So now silt fence has an XYZ category. It's okay. And so I have that. I can now sort them up and down by category. Also on the schedule pages, when you have the categories and you want to add them to a job, when you click add task, you can also now sort up and down by category. You can also search, show me the XYZ category right here. Now, if you want to delete a category, go back to your task list. You can delete them right here, and you can delete all the tasks that have XYZ on it, like this. Or if you want to remove the category from the task, all you have to do is click on the task, and then what you do is just press this X right here and remove the task category